value of C. We've got nice C here, 9, and then we've got a C there, and this is what we're told to find, the value of C. We have minus 7, and then we have is equal to minus 79. Okay, let's deal with the question. We'll remove this highlighter. Remember, it's the minus 79, and this one, the minus belongs to the 7. Belongs to the 7. Good. And this one here belongs to that. And then 9C is 9 times C. 9 times C is equal to 9C. And let's say 8 times A will be 8A. Let's say 7 times A times B times C will be 7ABC. Beautiful. Good. Now we know that. Let's rub this off. Done. So 9C means 9 times C. And C stands for a number, an integer. We don't know what it is, but we're going to get it. That's what we're told to find. Okay, let's go for the question. Now we go this way. We have 9C. Good. We will take this here. We will take this minus 7. We're going to take it to the other side of the equal sign. It's not going to go in front of the minus 79. It must go behind it. Out of respect, it's got to do that. Good. So we go here. We have this in place. We have a minus 79. We know that the minus belongs to the 79. Okay, good. And then the minus 7 crosses the equal sign, and when it gets there, it becomes a plus 7. Ah, beautiful. And the plus belongs to the 7. Good. Now we can see that there's a space here where the minus 7 left. Now this place needs to be filled up. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this, and then we're going to take this, and we're going to drag him back. Now it's beautiful. Good. Now let's tidy up a bit. Tidy up, tidy up. Now we've got this. Minus 79 plus 7. Good. Now we're going to use an illustration to solve this part, because that's the part that gets a bit scary. But once you get this illustration, you're going to be fine. Okay. Now, let's take the minus as negative. Negative, that is the left-hand side, and positive, which is the plus 7, is the positive on the right-hand side. So we now have a tug of war. We've got this here. And then this is the left-hand side. That is the negative side. And this is the right, and that is the positive side. Good. Now we can see that for the positive, it's only 7. 7 is quite small. So let's go this way. We're going to go this way here. So we have a plus 7 there. Beautiful. Good. Now we're going to go for the next one, which is a minus 79. This is huge. It's going to be on the left-hand side. And because it is huge, we're going to go this way. This is a minus 79. And in this case, forget it. The negative side is going to win because they got more on their side. In short, it's going to swallow this up. It's just going to swallow it up. Everything's going to swallow him up. It's going to eat him up, eat him up, eat him up, eat him up. And it's not going to exist anymore. Yes, that's what's going to happen. So let's go. Now we have minus 79 plus 7. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this plus 7. We're going to take this 7 here. We're going to take it out of here and see what is left. So if you take 7 out of 79, you're going to be left with what? Let's see. Let's see. You're going to be left with what? Nothing. Let's do it this way. You're going to be left with this. 79 minus 7, that's going to be 72. So let's do it this way. You're going to cut it here. And then we're going to have a minus 72 left. Good. Let's do some tidy up now. So let's go. This one is gone. This one is gone. This one is. Be careful there. Now I want to remove this black one. Is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. And then we remove this one. Beautiful. And then we've taken the plus 7 out of the 79, and that means this one will cease to exist. So this is what we're going to have left. So we can see that the negative side is winning. So when we first started, we had plus 7 on the right hand side, and we had a minus 79 on the left hand side, and there's a tug of war. We could see that the negative side is winning. So the answer here is going to be minus 72. So minus 79 plus 7 will give us a minus 72. So what do we get? So here we will have what? A minus 72 left here. And here we're going to have our nice C. Let's tidy up a bit. Okay, but I like this illustration, so I would like to keep it. Let's see how we can get it. I didn't get it. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. Beautiful. I got it this time. Good. So I'm going to squash it, and I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to put it here. It's a beautiful illustration. Good. Okay, see that. Good. Now let's proceed. Okay, now we've got 9c is equal to minus 72. Now 9c here means 9 times c. So we're going to split them into two. We're going to take the 9 to the other side and leave the c there. Because what? Because we're told to find the value of c. So therefore, because we're told to find what c is, we're just going to leave the c there and take the 9 and take it to the other side. And since 9 is multiplying c, when 9 goes to the other side, it's going to do the opposite of multiplication, which is what? Which is division. So let's see. So here, we're going to have the c left, and then the 9 goes to the other side. It's going to be minus 72 divide by 9, and that will give us what? Our C will stand for 8. So the value of C is 8. We mustn't forget one thing. There's a negative here. There's a negative here, minus here. We forgot to put the minus. So therefore, you mustn't forget that. If you forget that, then there's a mistake, and that means you're wrong. So let's go for this. We're going to take this one here. We're going to move it back a bit. And then we're going to put the negative sign there. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep highlight. Okay, highlight is there. So our answer is minus 8. Good. Let's tidy up. And let's write our ENS. ENS, our answer here is equal to minus 8. Beautiful.